Welcome to the Simple Dad DJI Pocket 3 gimbal tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to see grid on your DJI Pocket 3 screen. So using grid is a good way of composing your picture or video in your DJI Pocket 3. Using a grid, you can line up subjects according to the grid line and then take your shot. So let me show you how to enable this. So to enable this, first you want to go ahead and bring down your menu, tap on settings, scroll down, and here you're looking for reference line. Tap on it. And from here, you'll see option for a grid. To enable that grid, go ahead and toggle the switch to the right hand side. And now if you go back, you'll see a 3x3 grid on your DJI Pocket 3 gimbal. And there you go, that is how to enable grid lines on your DJI Pocket 3 gimbal. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.